In this video, I'm going to cook a simple meal in the combination convection microwave oven and use the option that enables me to combine convection with microwaves for speed cooking. The way this works is that the fan circulates the heated air around the oven, cooking the food from the edge to the center, while the microwaves cook the food from the inside out, speeding up the cooking process. This option works best when cooking with one tray, and remember, when you engage microwaves in an oven, you can't use any metal racks or pans. As you can see, when I program my Gaggenau oven, it defaults to 180 watts of microwave power when I combine it with convection. So it's not using a lot of microwave power, just enough to speed up the cooking a little bit. I do have the option of adding a higher level of microwave power, but it's always best to begin slowly and see how we do before we add too much microwave power in. Now, a meal like this of chicken breasts with roasted vegetables is fairly quick cooking anyway, but let's see how we do using this combination of convection and microwave power and see if we can keep that chicken really nice and juicy, which is the benefit of convection. If at the end of the cooking we need a little extra browning, I can change the oven mode to broil with circulated air to add a bit of sizzle. Now, broil with circulated air is different to broil with convection. In this mode, the heat is only coming from the broil element, and the fan is not generating any heat, but it circulates the heated air around the oven. Now, in the previous video where I cooked the pork and the eggplant, I used convection with broiling because those two modes were able to cook the food and broil it. Understanding your modes in your oven is the key to successful cooking. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.